Hey there, tech enthusiasts and gadget lovers. Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the smartphone world. If you're as obsessed with cutting-edge technology as we are, you're in for a treat today. The rumor mill has been working overtime, and we've got some sizzling hot news about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series that's about to change the game. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the future of smartphones, brought to you by the leaks that just can't keep a secret. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series is making waves, and we're here to break down everything we know. From the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, to the S24 Ultra, it seems like Samsung is pulling out all the stops with 4 stunning color variants for each model. And guess what? There might be some exclusive hues just for those who shop directly from Samsung. These devices aren't just about looks, they're packed with features that scream, next gen. We're talking about 12 megapixels selfie cams hidden within the tiniest punch hole cutouts, frames made from aluminum and titanium, and screen protection so tough, it laughs in the face of scratches. But the real talk of the town? The Galaxy S24 Ultra's perfectly flat screen and sharp edges that are setting the bar for what the best Android phone should look like. Meanwhile, the standard S24 keeps things classy, in a way that might seem a bit too familiar for some. It's clear the Galaxy S24 series is about to make a grand entrance, leaking its way into our hearts even before its official reveal. Whether these leaks were accidental or a sneaky peek courtesy of Samsung, one thing's for sure, the tech world is buzzing. And that's a wrap on today's Future Phone Flash. If you loved getting this sneak peek into Samsung's next big thing, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates from us. Got thoughts, predictions, or just want to share your excitement? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you.